Hello and a warm welcome to this educational video on JavaScript. Throughout this session, we'll delve into commonly discussed JavaScript manuals and specification questions that often arise during interviews. By delving into these questions, you'll not only enhance your comprehension of JavaScript, but also refine your interviewing abilities. During the video, we'll pose a question for you to answer, followed by the correct response. We will give you 15 seconds to answer each question. Optionally, you can pause the video if you need more time. Although we will be focusing on interview responses, it's essential to be familiar with the technical aspect of each topic. You can find detailed technical responses under the Manuals and Specifications page on our website at hellojavascript.info. So, let's get started with the first question. What are the standard reference guides used by JavaScript developers? Here is the interview response. The standard reference guides used by JavaScript developers include the ECMAScript documentation, Mozilla MDN, CanIUse.com, and W3 Schools. Now, for the next question. What is the purpose of the ECMAScript specification? Here is the interview response. The ECMAScript specification provides a standardized set of rules and guidelines for implementing the JavaScript programming language. It defines the syntax, semantics, and behavior of the language. Here's the next question. What is the difference between ECMAScript and JavaScript? Here is the interview response. ECMAScript is a specification that defines the scripting language used by JavaScript. JavaScript is an implementation of ECMAScript and includes additional features and APIs. Here's the next question. Why do JavaScript developers use the MDN reference manual? Here is the interview response. JavaScript developers use the MDN reference manual because it is a reliable and comprehensive source of information on the language, including syntax, features, APIs, and browser-specific behaviors, with useful examples and tutorials. This is the next question. What are the recommended sources to learn JavaScript? The interview response is: there are several great places to learn JavaScript, including free online resources like the Mozilla MDN, W3 Schools, and Codecademy, as well as paid platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Pluralsight. Now, for the next question. Where is the best place to learn about JavaScript design patterns? Here is the correct answer. The best place to learn about JavaScript design patterns is the book Learning JavaScript Design Patterns by Addy Osmani, as well as online courses, tutorials, and articles on platforms like Patterns.dev. Here's the next question. Can you suggest any books that a front-end developer should read? The correct interview response is: here are my top 5 recommendations for books that a front-end developer should read. Don't Make Me Think, CSS Secrets, JavaScript for Web Developers, Designing Interfaces, and High-Performance Websites. Now, for the final question. What JavaScript books can you suggest to other developers? The correct answer is: my top recommendations for JavaScript books are JavaScript, The Definitive Guide, Eloquent JavaScript, JavaScript, The Good Parts, You Don't Know JS, and Effective JavaScript. As we wrap up this video discussing JavaScript manuals and specification interview questions, we trust that you found it enlightening and worthwhile. Don't forget to join us for our upcoming video, where we'll take a closer look at code editors. Thank you for tuning in.